Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear quick meal lovers and cooking enthusiasts, tuning in. Getting the right quantity of Maggi becomes much easier when every ingredient matches the number of servings you are preparing. That's where the Maggi recipe and serving calculator from Youthbuddy comes in. Maggi or instant noodles is one of the most popular quick snacks enjoyed by people of all ages. Known for its tasty masala flavor and fast preparation, it's commonly prepared at homes, hostels, offices, and tea stalls. With noodles, taste-maker masala, water, and a few optional ingredients, you can prepare a flavorful snack or light meal within minutes. Simply enter the required number of persons, and the calculator automatically adjusts the ingredient quantities for your selected serving size. There's no need for manual calculations, making it easier to prepare the right quantity for any serving size. The page provides useful recipe information, including preparation and cooking times, diet type, difficulty, calories, and cooking method. You'll also find cooking notes, famous info highlights, and a nutrition estimate covering calories, carbohydrates, protein, and fat. Add optional ingredients like mixed vegetables, coriander, butter, or cheese to bring extra flavor, texture, and variety to your Maggi. Below the calculator, the ingredients section displays the updated quantities based on the number of persons you've selected. Right beside it, the preparation steps guide you through the complete cooking process, from heating the water until the noodles are ready to serve. Save the ingredient list with copy ingredients or use print for a neatly formatted recipe. Once your ingredients are ready, begin by adding the required amount of water to a pan and bringing it to a boil. If you are adding vegetables, place them into the boiling water and cook for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. Next, add the noodle cake along with the taste-maker masala, then cook for another 2 to 3 minutes while stirring gently. Add butter or cheese if selected, then continue cooking until the noodles become soft and slightly thick. Finish with fresh coriander if selected, then serve your Maggi hot. For your preferred consistency, use less water for dry Maggi or more water for soupy noodles, as recommended in the cooking note. Maggi can be prepared in different styles, including plain, vegetable, cheesy, or spicy variations. Quick, budget-friendly, and easy to customize, Maggi remains a convenient option for snacks or light meals. For more details, click the link in the description or explore it directly on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.